And coincidentally, I received a letter from South Africa. It says, I have the pleasure of informing you that President MC Ramaphosa has accepted the nomination of the late Mr. Winston Hubert McIntosh, Peter Tosh, posthumous for the Order of the Champions of OR Tambo. So the Sunshine Girls, our Sunshine Girls, have consistently performed well in World Netball. Both their prowess and potential were on display as recently as the last Commonwealth Games in England, where you won silver. And I can tell you that even their arch rivals recognize that they have a good chance of coming home with the gold, coming home with the World Cup. And so we're going to continue to push, we're going to continue to support them. And I'm saying that the fact that it's going to be the first time on the African continent, maybe your time has come. So we're going to work at it, right? And coincidentally, I received a letter from South Africa. And I'm going to just read a little bit of this letter for you, because it's such a great coincidence. It says, I have the pleasure of informing you that President MC Ramaphosa has accepted the nomination of the late Mr. Winston Hubert McIntosh, Peter Tosh, posthumous for the Order of the Champions of OR Tambo. The President has decided to honor him with the Order of the Companions of OR Tambo in silver for his contribution to the liberation struggle, using his musical talent to advance the liberation cause worldwide through incisive and awareness-raising lyrics in his music. The award ceremony will be held at the Sefako Magato Presidential Guest House on April 28, 2023. Now, what a coincidence. So you know the spirit of Peter Tosh will be with you, right? This is just a precursor to your fantastic performance that we expect.